Hey guys, good morning everyone. Today is my last day in Hampshire and last day of the Farnborough Airshow. So I'm just wearing my Triple Summer X t-shirt, packed everything, so that's my luggage, my few other stuff, and I'm ready to go. Actually, I'm quite happy because this room has been really hot, boiling hot. I would prefer my own bedroom as personally than this. But yeah, so going to the air show again. Hopefully they get to show a takeoff of A380 and 350 after that, heading back to Birmingham. So yeah, let's just go. Back at the air show. This is the entrance. So this is what's it like when you enter in the air show. And that there is like restaurants. They can go there, have food, and obviously use the loo as well. Towards this way you can obviously go watch the air show. So what we have here is a fighter jet which is M346FA. That's the missiles they use. And here we have another fighter jet which is F100 only. And that's the information of that fighter jet. As I was saying, the missiles they use. F-15 fighter jet.
Yeah, I know. Popular name, Strike
And that's
Eagle.
the information. So what we have here is just another level of beast, which I'm sure you guys must have seen this in movies, and it's from America. As you can see, they got American flag on the tail, and it's actually really huge for a US Air Force. And the reason I'm not showing my face is because I just want to show you the environment and the planes, really. So that's the giant wing of, that's actually a winglet, which is like a A330neo refined. And we are about to go in this beauty. And I'm not gonna lie, see the queue are already starting to go in the cargo. So we're boarding in the cargo plane, and let me just show you something even more interesting. You ready for this? Not just that, but this.
Look good.
So here I am in the beast. People are boarding in. So this queue is mainly for the cockpit, and not too sure about that one yet. So we're just walking in, and that's it. Pretty huge.
Tens un avió de passatgers que en acrobàcies i una Estábamos en Terraza, ahora cerramos.
Hey guys, I'm done with the air show. It was really good. Thoroughly enjoyed it, and I would say if somebody wants to go attend the air show in future, make sure you somehow get the tickets for the trade rather than public. Public isn't as fun as the trade. Trade has more aircrafts, obviously of the different airlines as well. Whereas in trade, you don't get to see that many good aircraft. So obviously I booked it for weekends. That was like December, January time I did. I wasn't aware what's it like as compared to trade. Obviously the public one I had available, and with the public, the only good aircraft they had was A380 and A350. That's it really. They didn't have that much really. But today I saw mostly fighter jets, got into a CR70, was it? Something like that. Upgraded and bigger, better version of AC-130. So been on that aircraft, sat in the cockpit as well. And I'm just heading back to Birmingham, and I'm just in the car park. This car park is good, but trust me, it's gonna take you time to find your car, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, without further ado, let's just go home because I'm tired and I'm hot. I'm not gonna lie, it feels good to be back. So I'm finally back home, and much better weather-wise, better than London as always. And journey was quite good, not that much traffic as from Friday when I was coming to Hampshire. So that time I was really stuck in traffic really bad. But when I was coming back to Birmingham, luckily no traffic, although they keep reducing the speed and whatnot. You guys are aware of that anyway. So that kind of sometimes annoys me. So and also let me show you something. This is what I received in the post. So I received this Etihad t-shirt, which I'm gonna wear on my flight day. The day I'm gonna fly, so I'm gonna wear this t-shirt. And also I've received another t-shirt, which is this one. If you guys wanna get these shirts, I will definitely put the website's link down below in my description, which is Cool Crew. So it's cool, but with a K, not a C, and crew as in cabin crew. So yeah, you could just get yourself shirts from there. And obviously, I need to unpack my stuff. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's about it really. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go spend time with my family, back into wearing my vest and my shorts, and I'll see you guys soon. Definitely next month, if I'm not doing anything before next month. So I'll definitely see you guys next month, and you know what that is going to be about. So yeah, take care guys. I hope you guys had a great weekend, because I had the best weekend ever. and I'll see you guys soon. Take care, goodbye, and Allah Hafiz.